Hello, Kate. To my future Kate. I officially graduated as first year freshman college student. I'm done and I'm over sa pagiging freshman college student. What the hell? Kapto. Oy! Ano yan? Hindi ka pa pala kumain, Mikaela? Oh, poor. Anyways, I already graduated as a freshman college student. And I would like to apologize to myself because hindi ako nakapag-journal for the rest of the month. Although sobrang dami nangyari sa akin for this month. Na sobrang bago sa akin na very unexpected and unplanned. And I never think na mangyayari to sa akin. Never thinking that it's gonna happen to me. And as a matter of fact, this is my very productive month for this year 2025 as a 19 years old Kate. But productive but not fulfilling. That's the harsh truth. Productive but not fulfilling task or mga nangyari sa life ko. Siguro mga 60 or 50% lang siya na fulfilling sa aking heart. Sorry talaga guys, I'm super duper ambitious, career-oriented person, but I don't know, kasi feeling ko, yung pacing ng life ko is parang naging trying to fit in type of a person ako right now. Sobrang hot nga today. Sobrang hot. Medyo oily yung face. I don't care, okay? This is my natural face. But, ayun nga. Hindi siya ganun ka-fulfilling. I mean, yung pagkakagraduate ko as a freshman student, feeling ko nga guys, yung mentality ko is for fourth year student na. Kasi, yung brain ko is seeking for a job. And I don't want to be stuck in this house with the same routine ng gawain sa bahay na maglaba, maghugas, magwalis, magpunas ng plato, magbless, magpo at opo sa mga magulang mo, respetuhin. Although, yeah, respecting them, but nakakapagod yung ganong routine. Like, under ka sa parents mo, sa mga decision nila. Because, kung hindi mo susundin yung decision nila, they were never gonna support you whatever you want. Ganyan mo kasi parati nilang sinasabi. They're not gonna support you. Hindi kita isusuporta, hindi kita papaaralin kung hindi ka susunod. And it's so exhausting, to be honest. Siguro sa iba, dream nila yung ganitong klase yun. But, gusto ko nang lumevel up eh. Like, gusto ko nang decision ko na yung wala na ako i-consider. Pero, mangyayari pa yun sa akin after I graduated. Tapos, pag nag-graduate na ako, dun na wala na yung spark ko sa pag ganitong klaseng That's my fear. Kaya nga, habang ganito pa yung mindset ko, like, career-oriented pa ako, gusto kong gawin ko na. Kaysa naman pag fourth year pa ako kailan laos na siya sa akin or panis na siya sa mindset ko or panis na siya sa goal ko to myself. That is why gusto ko ngayon pa lang. Kaso lang, ang masasacrifice in that kind of my career is that hindi ako makaka-graduate. Plus, hindi ko din maano yung dream ng parents ko. Kasi they want na all of us will be graduated in college. 4 of us. But me, I was planning not to. Kasi, I I feel like I'm not, it's not that I'm bragging, but feeling ko ang childish ng college. Feeling ko parang same lang siya sa elementary, high school. Parang I don't feel like I'm adult when I'm at college. Feeling ko I'm a child, I'm a kid. Yung tinuturuan ng teacher. Which is why sorry talaga kung ganun na-feel ko. Siguro sa mga iba yung feeling nila when they step on college. But the moment I stepped in college, feeling ko I was elementary student. And hindi siya fulfilling, guys. If you go at the college, feeling mo talaga bata ka, like, huh? Is this college? This is not the kind of college that I was thinking. Akala ko ibang level na siya. Pero parang elementary ka pa din pala. Grabe talaga yung expectation ko sa college, guys. Bukod sa parang elementary kasi tinuturuan ka ng ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, may mga advice, unsolicited advice, may mga teachers na conflict sa idea mo na, what kind of advice is that? Like, parating na sinasabi na, ibang level daw kapag graduate ko. You know what? Madaming successful person na undergraduate, but their status in life is built different. And aside from that, yun nga, tuturuan ka parang elementary. Ito din yung mga classmates mo, yung mga schoolmates mo, para din elementary mag-mindset, elementary din mag-isip. Like, they're so purely immature. And they were competing to you. Like, what the heck? Kukumpit sila to the point na hihilain ka nila pababa just to malamangan ka lang nila. Madamay ganun sa college, guys. I swear. Sabi ko, parang elementary pa din yung college. Eh. Tapos, naisip ko, paano nakipag-ganon pa din habang tumatagal hanggang 4th year ako. Tapos, wala na yung spark ko na ganitong klaseng mindset. Tapos, ayun na, wala na. Naruwin na yung buong plan ko sa life. Hindi na ako magiging multi-billionaire woman, independent woman. What the heck? Hindi na ako makabuild ng empire kasi I lost the spark. What do I mean by spark? Gantong klaseng way of thinking, di ba? Rare lang kayo magkaroon ng gantong mindset yung mga tao. Kasi usually, they had a dream but they never took a step on it, the first step. Which is why, malaki talaga yung sacrifice. I don't know if malaki, pero sa akin, bare minimum lang sa akin kapag sacrifice ko ng college ko. Kaysa naman guys, I stopped college because gusto ko maging standby. I want to stop on college because I want to pursue my biggest dream bigger than college. Mas malaki pa sa college. Mas fulfilling pa kaysa makagraduate. Actually, nung nakagraduate ako sa grade 12, I don't feel any fulfillment. Never ako naka-feel ng fulfillment. Sabi ko, my effort has been paid off. I feel like, what the heck yun na yun? Ew. Uy! Ew. Doon na napunta yung tuition ko. Pero wala naman. Ayoko na. Tama na. Siguro ako lang muna kapanood nito. But anyways, that's it lang. A little bit of rant kasi exhausted na pong ate girl niyo makipag-fit in sa mga standards or yung mga gusto ng mga tao sa akin. I'm so exhausted, promise talaga guys. That's it. Pretty little baby. Always drink your water, stay hydrated. And sana lumamig na sa Pilipinas.